Welcome back.
Diamonds, jewels, and the opportunity to show it all off in one of 4 Mercedes-Benz models. I mean, what more could one ask for?
I know, but they say that even perfection shines that much brighter under the best lights and at the best camera angles. And that's why Shine and Skitter magazine decided to put the best of the best in front of the camera to show it all off. Now, I was told it was a very cold night in Jersey, but how much do you want to bet that Bridget was so toasty warm in front of all of that luxury?
$100.
Okay, we'll take checks.
Shine and Skitter magazines are fabulous jewelry and luxury brand supplements bagged in the December issues of Fair Lady, True Love and Sari magazines. And today we're going behind the scenes as they shoot their glamorous 2011 supplement. It's gorgeous models, fabulous jewelry and of course the very latest in German-designed automobiles. With pages decked out in beautiful jewelry, from the very affordable to the absolutely unobtainably decadent, and everything in between. Shine provides everyone with a passport to the luxurious life. How did you identify the need for a supplement like this to actually go out into the market?
Well, Carissa and I worked on a similar publication many years ago, and frankly, there's been nothing like this on the market for a long time, and we identified the fact that we could fill the gap in the market.
Tamsin, can you tell me a bit about the makeup and hair concept for today?
We are definitely going with a glamorous theme as far as makeup and hair is concerned. You know, we're working with Mercedes-Benz, glamorous car. So we're going to make the girls look as fabulous as we possibly can. As you can see, we've gone with false eyelashes, just to make them look really gorgeous and glamorous. Hair-wise, definitely big, beautiful, luscious hair. As you can see, I put rollers in here.
Deidre, can you tell me a little bit about the styling concept for today's shoot?
Well, the more sportier cars, the girls will be dressed more on trend, more younger, and then the more sophisticated cars, the girls will be dressed in more sophisticated, elegant clothing.
Today's shoot is an 8-page Mercedes-Benz advertorial. Each page showcases one couple to represent each car and the luxurious lifestyle that's portrayed with it. 4 glamorous couples in 4 very attractive Mercedes-Benz models: the SLK, the E-Class Coupe, the E-Cabriolet and the CLS, the essence of true class. Cruz, can you tell me a little bit about the relationship between Mercedes-Benz and Shine Skitter? How did that come about?
I mean, Mercedes is about fashion, it's about luxury, it's about the finer things in life, and that's exactly where we're heading with this supplement.
Now, in terms of your jewelry partners, how did you choose those brands?
Look, with the magazine, we've got such a great variety of jewelers, all covering different individual styles and different looks. For this particular shoot, however, our client, Mercedes-Benz, had the final selection on the jewelers that they wanted aligned with the various cars. So we've got brands like Charles Gregg Jewelers, Arthur Kaplan Jewelers, Elegance Jewelers, Chopard Jewelry, Tag Heuer watches, Rolex watches, really top-end brands and jewelry that can be associated with each individual car.
All that's left for me to do is to remind you to get your copy of Shine or Skitter magazine this festive season. Because believe me, it's the bling way to roll. Bold and designer jewelry and glamming it up in Mercedes-Benz.